Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maora Rizki Barkah. In this opportunity, I would like to present about exposition text. What is the exposition text? Exposition is used to put forward an opinion, a point of view, or an argument. It begins with thesis and is followed by one-side argument and restatement of the thesis or reiteration. Exposition can be divided into two kinds: analytical exposition and hartatory exposition. Analytical exposition is concept or theory of something. Meanwhile, hartatory exposition is something that need to be done or authority that need to be done to solve the problem. Purpose of analytical exposition text. First, to analyze the topic and to convince or influence the reader that this opinion is correct and supported by arguments. Second, to convince the reader that the topic present was an important topic to be discussed or gain attention by way of providing arguments or opinions that support the main idea or topic. Analytical exposition text using the simple present tense using several kinds of conjunction like temporal conjunction, causal conjunction, and the strengthening the arguments such as in fact. The structure of analytical exposition is thesis, arguments, and reiteration. Thesis is contains writer's opinion about something. It also introduces topics and indicates the writer's position. Argument, it contains the argument to support the writer's position. The number of arguments may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. Reiteration, restating the writer's point of view or to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration. Like from the fact above, I personally believe, therefore my conclusion is, and in conclusion. This is an example of analytical exposition text. Motorbikes should be banned in housing areas. Thesis. Motorbikes are considered as a nuisance and one of major causes of great distress. Although motorbikes are considered as one of the most convenient forms of transportation, I think they are dangerous to human, animal as well as the environment. I think motorbikes should be banned in housing areas due to the following reasons, which are the cause unreasonable amounts of noise, air pollution, diseases, and accidents. First argument. First of all, I would like to point out that motorbikes are a major contributor to the pollution in the world. Research has shown that motorbikes emit a deadly gas that is dangerous for the environment. As a result, the long-term emission of gas that motorbikes produce become a major contributor of global warming. Second argument, according to BBC News Channel, motorbikes are also responsible for causing diseases such as bronchitis, cancer, asthma, and high blood pressure. Third argument, furthermore, motorbikes create so much noise. Parents with infants find it challenging to sleep. The moment their babies fell asleep, there was a motorbike passed by and the baby woke up. It's also hard for children to concentrate on their homework. Experts cite that extreme noise can lead to deafness and lack of concentration. Fourth argument. Finally, motorbikes are responsible for horrible accidents in which in some cases there are deaths. The rider goes so fast that they are unable to stop on time and end up hitting other people or animals. Files 1993 state that motorbikes are known to the biggest killers on the road. Reiteration. In conclusion, from the arguments above, I strongly believe that motorbikes should be banned in housing areas. Analysis from the text. The text using simple present tense. Below, some sentences of text are using simple present tense. First, motorbikes are considered as a nuisance and one of major causes of great distress. Second, although motorbikes are considered as one of the most convenient forms of transportation. Third, secondly, according to BBC News Channel, motorbikes are also responsible for causing diseases such as bronchitis, cancer, asthma, and high blood pressure. Fourth, motorbikes create so much noise. 5. Finally, motorbikes are responsible for horrible accidents in which in some cases there are deaths. And last, as a result, The long-term emission of gas that motorbikes produce become a major contributor of global warming. These texts also use several kinds of conjunction. First conjunction is temporal conjunction. Example, first of all, I would like to point out, and secondly, according to BBC News. 2. These texts use strengthening the argument. Example, furthermore, motorbikes create so much noise. And the text use causal conjunction. Example, it is also hard for children to concentrate, and as a result, the long-term emission. This text also using the passive voice. Example, motorbike are considered as one of the most convenient form of transportation. And last, this using mental verb, such as I believe, I prefer, I agree, and I don't. Example, I think they are a hazard to humans, and I strongly believe that motorbikes should be banned. That is all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.